Thanks again for letting me stay here after my railway died. I forgot you all were the silent type. No, they too are. They're silent. They're trying, just because there's passengers there, they're trying to make it look like the real locomotives.
Oh my God!
Don't give away our position. Dimwit, you already gave it away. Oh yeah. Remind me again how you can talk without actual faces. I mean, I have a face, but it's stuck as a pug. You know, it's just...
This is a certified...
Why Pug Diesel? How? Don't mind it. But we're currently on a hunt. Our series died like a few months ago.
Oh my God!
We've been reborn? That means you're leaving us, isn't it? Yeah, I'm sorry. Wait, then why aren't we in our wooden railway forms? Because right now we don't have a wooden railway setup. All the lads are on the table. You owe me money. No! Anyways, we're on a hunt, as I have stated previously. We are looking for... I'm now blast truck. It's stupid sounding. So you're called Stumpy. At least it's a name. Now you know, get over here. I'm surprised you pushed an entire engine. Nah, he's just being fussy. This is going to be a long, long day, isn't it? Yes, we're looking for the signs. Now, Stumpy's illegal signs. It's different. You know, like a while ago, Stumpy had signs. Until he didn't. We've been on the hunt for the signs ever since. That was a completely useless story. Why do you think it would be here? 'Cause train. Right, you want trains? Go to Sodal. Nah, man, they turn 2D. All engines go more like all engines sus. Mungus! You truly are Mr. 7. Get over here. Oh, yeah. We're not logical. That didn't make sense. Wait, the series is rebooted? Joe Biden, the traction engine? You look almost the same. Yeah, I mean, my fellow Americans, sorry. On this railway, I have to use normal words instead of my fellow Americans. Now, you don't have to fake. Cool. So, where do we check? Who left? You owe me money! I screamed! You didn't hear me! My fellow American, I do not owe you a single penny. Yes, you do! I summoned the Apide a bonk. What? Yep, he has been bonked. You know what, can we just...
Got it!
Joe Biden, get on Stumpy. Nah, my signs go on me. Wait, why are we taking Crack Chuck? Crack Chuck is a part of the family now. Do you know what's happening over there? Why would I know? Yeah, it's the web railway. It's invading or something. Shut up. Shut up. But
Oh
there.
my God!
Goodbye, individuals we just met. Goodbye. God dang it, how you faced it to me? I was always the redder one. Look at me go! If it would focus.
This is a certified...
You just get a poor FPS. Poor quality. Because you have to carry a Fireworks and Joe Biden the traction engine. I just have a empty sump. It's not even fair. This is a loop. There's not much we can check. How are we supposed to find his signs if we're running in circles? Oh, I thought this was gym class. We don't need a gym. Well, excuse me, I have to get my exercise. Exercise? Shut up. And I'm not going to question it. Anyways, last time I saw him, we were exactly right there. So, let's go over there. Hold on. We have to... Wooden railway. Do we really have to? Yes, we do. Oh my god. Hey, it looked different from my original model. My face color is the same, but I actually look better. It's called improvements over time. Holy god! My fireworks melted. I am now free from my lonely roll wagon. Are you seeing this? I'm most certainly seeing it. They just shrank? I was not shrunken. I was freed. And they could still move on our track. Freed. So, let's go over there now. You sure this is the place? 100%. Look, they still have my spare wheel axle, and that dumb minis. Ah, good times. But I don't remember that shack being there. And according to plan. Holy god, who is that? And the Hills Stepney. Oh my goodness. Quickly, get him. Sorry, I almost lost my cool. Almost is an understatement. You knocked down that old shack. Oh my god! Yes! That was super anticlimactic. But I found my signs. I can now live in peace. Where did Stumpy go? But I don't know. You're his engine. Sorry. Okay, so now what? We can do anything. Anything? Yeah. Oh, whoa! What? Oh, this is what you freaking do! Oh my god! Haha! That's what you get for putting me in wooden railway form after living in Trackmaster for so long. I think he's actually dead. Not dead. Okay, you want to play like that?
Oh my god!
Take that. I think he took it a little too hard. I'm not even getting the question how you were able to destroy a monumental piece like that, and then with the snap of your non-existent fingers, it's back together. My signs! They're floating away in the wind! Oh no. They are. Oh no, now they're spread across the entire layout. That means we have to go back into Trackmaster form, don't we? No, because we have God's hand, or whatever this hand is. I'm now in the inner line. Dumb. Imbecilic moron noggin. Imbecilic moron noggin. Shut up. You're looking like a... No, you are... No, you're looking like a... You're looking like a... No, wait, never mind. You are... You were looking like a... You are... You were looking like a... You are... You are looking like a... Shut up! He looks like a stinky sausage. Now let's get away with it. Just like that. JK, with my non-existent hands, I slap you. Oh, that bitch, I'm going to slap him harder. Did you just swear? No swearing in my country. Shut up! Oh, dang it, Truck. Leave. Hey. Come on, Crack Truck. We gotta prove that we're better. No! We died. Oh, no. As almost if, conveniently, I'm going to fall into that puddle. If only a specific item we've been looking for this entire time was that. Oh my god. I feel bad, but I'm saved. Stumpy's sign. I shall now float away to my great homeland, America. Help! Help! I can't swim. I'm a traction engine.
Yes, I've caught up.
No, you don't.
My sign, you guys, stop! Stop my sign, You ran over my sign!
Do you know how hard it is to get these things back in condition? Suddenly, a sign flew over the camera.
Who was that?
This is the narrator.
When did we get a narrator?
My thoughts exactly. No, he just comes around every time. Ow. I got replay. Ow. I got signed. It's words. Who would have guessed?
I got the blue sign. You got the Blake sign.
Let's continue. I am in element pain. Whew. I'm so glad we got those signs back without losing any footage.
We did lose a ton of footage. We lost the power. I blew up the station and the salt wagon, and you resembled it to how Joey blew up the coal plant.
Oi, do you think I'm done with you? You hit me.
I've been hit.
I was in that station. You're in a station, you're a train.
Yeah, shut up.
Like, that's really offensive. That was Scarlet. Cool story. Let's go home.
Wait, hold on. With all these crusty, rusty, and mainly dusty details complete, shouldn't everyone else come back?
That's a good point. I feel a true calling. Oh my god. Ow. My Louisiana that I currently don't have in my body. What even is a Louisiana? Wait, hold on. Some of our amigos are missing. We're gonna take a pass on this one. Bro, okay. Anyways, I heard my troll calling and now I'm pretty mad.
Hey, yo, a voice is
Of a cannon. It's a true form. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm not. What? You can't leave me here. I can't do all the passengers on my own. Donovan, you have to have a word in this. I, for one, respect their wishes. Oh, you little brat. I knew you were bad from the day they picked. Am I in the middle of something? Because I'll just... He is gone, but not forgotten. We knew him for about a... yo, shut up. Can you stop? Okay. I hope Mr. 7 and Pug Diesel are around here soon. I forgot I had no metal bars to protect my bogies from going haywire. Oh my god, that really hit my head. Okay, did you just have a natural high-pitched voice? Or is this something new? No, it's not natural. It's just whenever I'm upset. Cool to know. I'm going to forget about it. Fine by me. Golly McGee, your signs flew. Oh my god.
Hey. Omega friends, I really didn't miss them in the slightest.
Please go back to the show.
No, they're coming in more. They're from the sea. No, go back. It should just be me, Mr. 7, Pug Truck, or whatever his name is.
Firework truck.
Whatever. And Pug the... Oh no, even the new ones I can't even get... Oh my god. So does this mean we're back in action? I guess so. It wasn't my choice.
Hold on. Mummy, look. It's... Oh wait, my mom's not existent. But Papa is here. Papa, look. The wet railway engines, except for a few because they decided to pass. I am going to scream. sounded like a crusty, dusty, musty. I don't even know any adjectives that end in "usty." So that just sounded like a dying motor.
I didn't even scream though, I just said it.
Huh. Then who could that... I don't want to know. Was that a terrier? Yeah. And he keeps popping in and out of the screen. Sorry, I got really far away that time. He stopped calling back my name, and yeah. Joe Biden. Wait, where is Joe Biden? Turks and engine? Remember, I killed him. I killed him with every ounce of my illegal signs. Speaking of those signs, they're crusty, dusty, musty, and old. Probably should get some new signs. Do these signs look old to you? They are from one of the oldest episodes on this channel. They're from freaking The Percy is Dead, the parody of The Heavy is Dead on our channel. It's one of the oldest videos besides the gantry crane.mp4. You really think I care? Look how crusty, dusty, musty, and old they are. Can you stop saying that much? No. They can't even stand up, man. Oh my god, look how crusty, dusty, musty, and old those signs are. Come on, son. I'm your daughter. Oh, he landed like a macaroni. Was that really necessary, Stender? Sorry. Oh, he's dead. He's very dead. No one can do a full flip into a coach like that. Speaking of which, shouldn't we clear the main line for any train? Oh my God, oh my peanut nuggets. I'm sorry. You know how I like to say my adjectives. Oh my crap! The amount of property damage we just property damaged is so much that we don't have enough money.
Oh my God!
Ow. So this is a problem. Why are you on the main line? Why are you on the main line? Touché. My signs! They're everywhere again. They're on his stupid, dirty, crusty, dusty, musty old Tinder. Ah! Oh my god. More property damage? Let's go. As you can see, we're on to a very good start with the Wet Railway Reborn.